The windows is what is the AC.
The windows.
The windows.
Oh, the windows is open right there.
That's right.
Okay, go faster then.
Okay. Hope you'll be able to understand this kind of southern accent.
Yes.
The Stone Mountain is, when you get up to the top of the mountain, you will be 825 feet above the surrounding area, 1,683 feet above the sea level. The exposed granite that we see is 1%. 99% of the rock is beneath the surface. It goes down 10 miles into the earth crust and into the surrounding counties. On the rock to my left, probably your right, we've got the Stone Mountain Memorial carving by Walter Hancock. They blew 3 acres. The framework that we see is 3 acres. The carving itself, it's 90 feet by 190 feet, sitting 42 feet deep in the face of the mountain. Meaning that it is 9-story building tall, and you can park 2 school buses side by side on that horse. One of the kids says, "Mommy, look at Jesus on the rock." That's not Jesus. He was never on a horse, he was on a donkey. From left to right, Jefferson Davis, Robert Edward Lee, and Thomas Stonewall Jackson. From the idea to dedication, they started in 1923, they dedicated it in 1972. They even sat on the carving and they had a banquet sitting there. If you go to the Memorial Hall, that's the museum, there's a documentary that runs every 11 minutes. We'll give you all the details. As you approach the tower, I'll ask you to hold on. This is the best part of the ride. The car will swing back and forth. It makes my day. It's the reason why I love my job, so hold on. If you're a little nervous, it's fine. Just join me in a song. Swing low. What makes my day just watching some of your faces change right there. I often sing Swing Low, Sweet Child with the full car, and without even the end of the song, you'll hear them saying, "Swing low, sweet chair, ah," and that's the end of the song. So I'm thinking of singing, maybe changing the song to "Don't Worry." Maybe they'll be able to sing with me. The next car down will be at 2. We might have a slight bump here. It's normal. Don't be alarmed. Don't be alarmed by it. That one. So yeah, the next guy is at 2. If you miss that one, 220, 240 until 5.
What if you miss that one?